Let us see next question, that is question number 5. Write the following sets in roster form. See first bit, b is equal to x such that x is a natural number smaller than 6. Here you see two dots, okay, those two dots indicate such that. What is the meaning of such that? Here while writing the values of x, these values should follow this condition. What is the condition here? Those values are to be natural numbers smaller than 6. So here let us write roster form. B is equal to set of, as you know, natural numbers start from 1. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now next one. Can we write here 6? Let us read the question. Natural number smaller than 6. Is 6 smaller than 6? No. That's why we should not write 6. So this is the answer. This is called roster form. And based on this, I would like to give you a small other idea. That thing is that the order of elements in roster form is immaterial. The meaning of immaterial is it is not to be given that much importance. That is the meaning of immaterial. What is not to be given importance? The order of writing elements is not compulsory that we need to write only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is not compulsory, children. Even you can alter the values. But the thing is that you should use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these numbers only. But you can write however you want. You can write 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You can write 4, 3, 2, 1, 5. Okay, 5, 2, 3, 1, 4. But the thing is that only 1 to 5 elements are to be used. That is the meaning of immaterial. But here if you write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it gives beauty for the answer. So that is what here we are habituated to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this order. And the second thing is that the elements of a set are distinct. The meaning of distinct is a different. A set should have different elements. That means here no element is to be repeated. Clear? So here if you write 1, only 1 should be there only one time. Same for 2, 3, 4, 5 also. So finally B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the roster form for the given question. Now let us see next bit, that is second bit. C equal to set of x such that x is a 2-digit natural number such that the sum of its digits is 8. So here we need to write set of 2-digit natural numbers. So actually you know 2-digit natural numbers, they start from 10 and up to 99. In between what all the numbers are there, those are all 2-digit natural numbers only. So shall we write all the numbers? Let us see the condition. Such that the sum of its digits is 8. So here we need to see a 2-digit number whose sum of the digits is 8. For example, you see, for example, if I take 10, 1 plus 0 is 1. If I take 11, 1 plus 1 is 2. Here I should get 8. So here you can easily guess, children, if I take 17, 1 plus 7 is 8. Right? So 17 can be taken. Same way from 20 to 30, you see 2 plus how much is 8? 2 plus 6. So that is 26. 3 plus 5, that is 35. 4 plus 4 to get 8, that is 44. 5 plus 3, that is 8, right? 53. Same way here if I take in 60, 62. In 70, 71, because 7 plus 1 is 8. In 80, 80 itself, right? In 90, you see, if you take 99 plus 0 is 9. So nowhere you can get 8. So here we can stop writing these numbers. So for this bit, this is the roster form for this question. Now let us see next bit, that is third one. D is equal to x such that x is a prime number which is a divisor of 60. See here children, we need to take, means x is to be satisfied two conditions. So we need to take here two conditions. What are those conditions? X is to be a prime number, the two out of those prime numbers which are divisor of 60 also. So here let us solve this problem. First I am writing the divisors, means factors of 60. So here 60 can be written as 1 into 60, 2 into 30, 3 into 20, 4 into 15, 5 into 12, 6 into 10. Next one, 10 into 6. Here we get repetition. So here you see 6 comes here, 10 comes here, we can stop writing. So let us pick up all these values from 1 to again 60. Clear? These are all the divisors of 60. Means what are those? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30 and 60. These are all divisors of 60. Now we should add the prime numbers also. Already know prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, so on. Right? Now what we need to take? There is x which is prime number and also divisor of 60. So just pick up which numbers are in common. See here 2 is a prime number, 2 is a divisor of 60 also. 3 is a prime number, 3 is a divisor of 60. 5 is a prime number, 5 is a divisor of 60. Whereas 7 is prime, but that is not divisor of 60. Same way 11, 13, 17, those are all not divisors of 60. So here let us write the answer here children. So which values get satisfied the given condition? 2, 3 and 5. This is the roster form for the given question. Now let us see next bit, that is fourth bit. E equal to x such that x is an alphabet in the word better. Better. So here for writing roster form, E can be written as E equal to, here I told you the order of elements is immaterial. That means here first if you write B or E or T or R, whatever you write, it's not a problem. And another thing is that it should have, means the set should have distinct elements. So here you see E gets repeated, T gets repeated, but you should write only one time. So let us write now first B, comma, E, comma, T, comma, here you see one more T is there. As there should not be repetition, I am not writing one more T. Here E is there, already it has written. It is written here. So now here R. So this is the roster form for the given question. Now let us see next question, that is question number 6. Write the following sets in the set builder form. Let us see first bit 3, 6, 9, 12. So here this is a question children which is reverse for the previous question. In the previous question set builder form is given, we have converted into roster form. Now here roster form is given, these values we have to write in set builder form, right? So now here let us see how to do it. We need to find a common property children. If you are able to catch the common property, then this will be very easy in writing set builder form. Let us see here, you see 3 can be written as 3 into 1, 6 can be written as 3 into 2, 9 can be written as 3 into 3, 12 3 into 4, right? Here x such that x is equal to, here observe children, in the previous step which is fixed here, you see 3, 3, 3, 3, that is constant. So let us write 3 as it is. Clear? Here which values are go on changing? 1, 2, 3, 4. So instead of that I'll take another alphabet called y. Right? Now the limit for y is less than 5. That means up to 4 it can be taken. Means you can take up to 4 only. Right? That means here 3 into y means you should not take whatever value you want. You can take only less than 5. That means you can take up to 4. Right? You have given the ending limit. Then what about the starting? Starting number should be 1. That means here y is a natural number. That's all, children. See here. Let us compare this one with the question. You see, y is a natural number. Means you can take y value as 1, 2, 3, 4. So here y less than 5. That's why I stopped at 4. So you take y in place of y, you take 1. X equal to 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. That's all. So here you can't take y in place of 5 because here you have taken the limit as y is strictly less than 5. Right? This is the set builder form for the given question. Now let us see next bit, that is second bit. 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. So here let us arrange them. 2 can be written as 2 power 1. Right? 4 can be written as 2 power 2 means 2 square. 8 is 2 cube. 16 can be written as 2 power 4. 32 is 2 power 5. Right? Now let us write the set builder form. X such that x is equal to, here you observe, children, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So here base is 2. It is fixed. So let us write here also 2 is fixed. Here you see powers now. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here they go on changing. We can take them as variable. So here I write that as another alphabet like y. Now let us set the limit for y. Here y can be written as less than or equal to 5 because here y is from 1 to 5. Or we can write y is less than 6 and y belongs to, y is which kind of number? It is starting from 1, so it is natural number. Here let us observe, y belongs to n means we can take y equal to 1 first. So here 2 power 1 is the first element, 2 power 2 is the second element. Same way here up to 6. It is not less than or equal, it is strictly less than 6. So we can stop at 5. So here last value is 2 power 5. So x says that x equal to 2 power y less than 6, y belongs to n. This is the set builder form for the given bit. Now let us see next bit, that is third one. 5, 25, 125, 625. So here let us convert them into common property, that is 5 can be written as 5 power 1, 25 5 square, 125 is 5 cube, 625 is 5 power 4. Right? So here we are writing x such that x is equal to, see here the base is fixed, it's constant, that is 5. Power is getting changed, so we are taking that as other alphabet, that is y. Now let us set the limit of y as less than 5 because it stopped at 4, and as the starting value is 1, so y can be taken as natural number. That's all, children. This is the set builder form for the given question. Let us see next bit, that is fourth bit. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, so on, 100. Try to find the common property, children. Here these are all perfect squares, right? So here we can write 1 as 1 square, 4 as 2 square, 9 is 3 square, 16 is 4 square, 25 is 5 square, so on, 100 is 10 square. Right? Now here x such that x is equal to, here understand children, bases they go on changing, whereas exponents is the same. So here which numbers are changing, there I am taking an alphabet. So here the square is fixed, and let us set the y value here. Here y is, see, 1 to 10 means you can write y is either less than 11 or you can write less than or equal to 10 also. Both are same children. If you write y is less than or equal to 10 or y is less than 11, both are same. Right? So here which kind of number is y? Y is a natural number because here y starts from 1 and here it ends up with 10. So here this is the set builder form for the given question. Let us see next question, that is question number 7. Write the following sets in roster form. In this first bit, capital A is equal to x such that x is a natural number greater than 50 but smaller than 100. So here it's quite easy children, simple. You write the numbers which are greater than 50. So it is clearly greater than 50. So 50 is not to be taken. So we can write here that 51, 52, 53, so on, smaller than 100. So we should write up to 99 only. This is the answer for this bit. Now let us see next bit, that is second bit. B equal to x such that x is an integer, x square equal to 4. So here let us take this condition children, that is x square is equal to 4. Do square root on both the sides. So here x square under root is equal to root 4. But here remember children, whenever you apply square root, without fail you have to write plus or minus. So here square and root get cancelled. X is equal to plus or minus root 4 is 2. So here for x there are two values get adjusted. First one is plus 2, second one is minus 2. So here let us write b in the roster form, whereas minus 2 comma plus 2. This is the roster form for the given question. Now let us see next bit, that is third bit. D equal to x such that x is a letter in the word LOYAL, loyal. So here let us write the roster form. In this word let us write the first letter L, then second one O, third one is Y, fourth one is A, and next one is L. L is already written. So as you know, a set should have distinct elements, so no element is to be repeated. That's why we should not write L again. So LOYA is the roster form for the given question LOYAL. Let us see next question, that is question number 8. Match the roster form with set builder form. See here in this set, these are all roster forms, and here these are all set builder forms. Only thing is we need to match them. Better here children, better if we come from set builder form to roster form, this problem can be easily done. Let us see here first one. See here roster form 1, 2, 3, 6. Second one 2, 3. Third one M, A, T, H, E, I, C, S. Fourth one 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Let us see their corresponding options. First one x such that x is a prime number and a divisor of 6. Second one x such that x is an odd number smaller than 10. Third one x such that x is a natural number and a divisor of 6. Fourth one means D bit. X such that x is a letter of the word mathematics. Right? So here let us see first one. X such that x is a prime number and divisor of 6. right? As you know children, first divisor of 6 we can write it as 1 is a divisor, 2 is a divisor, 3 is a divisor, and 6 itself is a divisor of 6. And here prime number, so here let us round up the prime numbers 2 and 3. These are the prime numbers and they are also divisor of 6. So for the first bit means a bit, the second one 2 comma 3 is suitable. So we can write for the second bit a is the right option. Here I am writing answers children for first one, second one, third one, and then for fourth one. From the options, this is suitable for the second bit, means for the second bit a is suitable. So here I am writing a, right? Next one, x is an odd number smaller than 10. What are the odd numbers smaller than 10? See here in this list you check once. See 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are all odd numbers smaller than 10, right? Actually here in fact it is to be asked that odd natural numbers. Actually it is to be asked like that. So odd natural numbers smaller than 10, these are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are the odd natural numbers smaller than 10. So here we can write for fourth bit b is suitable. See for the fourth one b is suitable. Now let us see C bit. X is a natural number and a divisor of 6. As you know the divisor of 6, 1 is a divisor, 2 is a divisor, 3 is a divisor, and 6 itself is a divisor. These are all natural numbers also. So 1, 2, 3, 6. Here you see first option. So for first option C is right one. So C is suitable for the first one. And here last one, x says that x is a letter of the word mathematics. See here children, first let us write M, A, T, H, E, M. Here M gets repeated. So here M is not required to be written once again, because here nothing is to be repeated. The set should have distinct elements. So here M comes only one time. See here M comes only one time. Same way here A, already we have written one time, so A is not to be repeated. Same way here T is written earlier, only I, C, S. So I, C, S. So for this third one D is suitable. So finally here you see children, if you match them, for the first one C, for the second one A, for the third one D, and the fourth one B, these are the right options for the given question. Here is a small correction children. Actually in the question it is given x says that x is an odd natural number smaller than 10. By mistake I did not write natural number earlier, that's why I corrected it. Okay, you please verify it.